start. In some cases, making the statement that the agony is impossible to imagine is the exact opposite of rhetoric. Full stop. Imagine the state of the mother who is informed that her newborn has gone missing. Full stop. Yet this occurred some days ago at Rawalpindi's Holy Family Hospital, which has seen similar incidents in the past when the aunt of a newborn found that the infant had vanished and the crib was instead holding a blanket covered doll. Full stop. At least the story of this mother and child had a happy ending. Full stop. As a result of hectic efforts made by the police and hospital staff, ASP Banish Fatma and Dr. Shazia Zeb being named in particular, the newborn was recovered on Thursday. Full stop. While the police have released only sketchy details, a spokesman said that the accused involved in the kidnapping are under investigation. Full stop. It is to be earnestly hoped that this is a sincere and thorough effort and that the perpetrators of a crime for which there should be no leniency are rapidly brought to justice. Full stop. New para. That the police have released few details is fitting when we consider the significance of such a crime to a deeply moral society such as ours. Full stop. But morality or religiosity aside, it must be accepted that the dark crime of the trade of infants is real. Full stop. From time to time, tragic tales of such kidnappings emerge in public, now in Peshawar, now in Larkana. Full stop. The fact is that there are people who would go to literally any lengths to have a child, and there are others who are willing to facilitate them. Full stop. When this is contrasted with the incidents of babies being abandoned, one case was reported from Rawalpindi last year where the infant was adopted by the family that found her in a drain. The situation becomes unspeakable. Full stop. It is difficult to discern the quarters where an appeal for a change in this reality can be directed. Perhaps this is a matter where only the human conscience can intervene. Full stop.